Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the model and inputs so calculations stay reliable. First, lock your units, meters or millimeters, and format numeric cells to 2 decimals. This prevents unit mix-ups. Next, map columns for ID, dimensions, materials, and load factors, and create a raw data sheet to import GIS or Survey CSVs. Once done, define named ranges for each data block so formulas reference readable names. Make sure to set column validation and a template workbook to reuse for every new job. You now transform data into actionable results by structuring calculations step by step. Convert ranges into tables so rows auto-expand. Then use index/match or XLOOKUP to pull unit weights, safety factors, and material properties. Calculate geometric results, area, volume, and mass in separate columns and chain them into cost or load formulas. Use helper columns with short names and keep intermediate checks like tolerances and sign conventions. Once formulas propagate correctly, protect formula cells and document assumptions beside each calculation group. You finish by producing clear outputs and guarding against mistakes. Build a summary sheet using pivot tables and charts for quantities, costs, and maximum loads so stakeholders see results at a glance. Automate refresh with Power Query or a small macro to export PDF and CSV deliverables. For robustness, add an errors flag column that checks units, negative volumes, and divide by zero risks. If a flag appears, trace upstream with trace precedence. One key troubleshooting tip: if numbers look off, check unit formats and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.